Hello everyone, welcome back to Lazy Love Kitchen TV. On today's recipe guys, I'm going to be showing you a remedy for cough and catarrh in this winter weather that we are in the western world. So guys, in here I have dried turmeric, lemon and honey and some water. So guys, this is some honey, lime and turmeric. And if you haven't subscribed to Lazy Love Kitchen TV guys, please do subscribe to Lazy Love Kitchen TV and stay tuned and see the outcome of this remedy for cough and catarrh, how I prepared it. After chopping some lime inside the jug, this is the leftover. I'm going to also cut it bit by bit the way I like the size, adding it to the ones I already have inside the jug. So guys, stay tuned and see how I make this remedy for cough and catarrh. You know the weather is so cold now, so we need hot tea like this. You can use lemon, lime, anyone you have at home. So I will be adding it inside the jug. Stay tuned guys and keep watching. It's just a short video for cough and catarrh remedy. Till I see you again.